Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check disk gift card balance. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, you need to type on any browser like disk sporting gift card balance, and once you get the results you need to click on this one, result gift card terms and condition. And once you are on this page you need to scroll down, and there are lots of terms and condition available on this page, and you need to simply find over here gift card and gift cards, and you need to click on this window like gift cards. And once you are on this page you need to scroll down, and over here you need to enter your card number and your pin number, and you need to click on check balance. Okay, so this card number and this pin number, where you will see on your back side of your card. And once you get your card number and pin number, you need to scratch the pin area, and once you scratch your pin area you will get your pin number. Okay, so you need to enter your card number and pin number, and you need to click on check balance, and you will see your check balance very easily. So this is the way by which you can easily check your disk gift card balance. Okay, if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.